Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, clicking on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Wednesday, March 3rd, 2:45 p.m. New York time. I'm going to recap the monthly candlesticks because we just completed a few days ago the month of February, which is the second month of the year completed. So now we're in the third month of the year, which is the last month of the first quarter. Yeah, there's 4 quarters in a year, and it's good to review quarterly the higher time frame. Compare that with your individual investments, whatever you might be invested in, either directly with stocks or equity indexes or funds. So we'll look at the Dow index, would be the chart on the right, and the 30 stocks, 30 biggest publicly traded United States companies in the United States Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. A little bit about the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's the oldest index. Not everything survived from the original being listed on the index, plus the index grew with more companies on it. But today, it's still what it has been for many years, 30 companies, again, the 30 largest US publicly traded companies. And they're broad, they're in different industries, definitely different sectors and different industries. So looking here on the right, the current candle represents just these few days in the new monthly trading, which is just 2 days. So we're concerned looking in the second to last candle from the right. Made a lower high, lower low than January, closed red below the prior body. Yep. So the trend is down for the index. We want to compare the 30 stocks in it to see if they're performing equal, better, or worse to find leadership. Or if none of them are performing outstanding, better, then maybe stay in the equity index. Vice versa, if we find stocks better than the index, consider being in those stocks. Looking here first at Apple. Apple's got the same performance of the Dow Jones, especially because it's weighted average, very close to that. Yep. Look at the next. Alpha, Mike, Golf, November. Big difference. Yep. Last month made an all-time new high for the year. Tested that swing high. Let's remove it. Then it closed back inside that range there. Interesting. Yep. Interesting. Let's remove that. A lot of volatility it had last month. A lot of volatility. Huge trading range. American Express. It's doing better. Yeah. So look at the first month, January, and then February, higher high, higher low. Outstanding. It outperformed the Dow because look at the Dow went lower, still trending down, where American Express, yeah, the current month, which is a few days, huge volatility, but it's in acceleration phase. And this tail here means buyers are stepping in. So this is outstanding, performing better than the index. American Express, remember, the financials. We're going to see more of them. Bank of America, that's terrible. Inside candle, made a lower low, lower high. It's also building a wedge, It's interesting. So it's probably still bad times ahead for that company. A lot of whipsaw. Caterpillar, Yeah, it's performing bad too. Trend is down. Charlie, Romeo, Mike. Yep. Just as bad. Cisco. From that huge sell-off we had in January, look how small the trading range became in February. Yeah, we made a lower low, lower high, and we have tail stepping in here. Shadows, wicks, whatever you want to call them, because some people call them tails, some people call them wicks, some shadows. And they're longer on the bottom here. Demand, buyer stepping in. CVX, Chevron, Charlie, Victor, X-ray. All-time new high for the year. All 3 months, higher highs, higher lows. Green, it's performing better than the index, plus better than Apple. Yeah, Chevron. Disney, nope, it's struggling. It's struggling. Inside candle, couldn't even make a decision go above or below the prior month. And Dow Chemical, it's not as bad. Nope. So we noticed the 2 past months, January, February, made higher highs, higher lows. That trend was up. And current month, which is just 2 days already, huge seller down, huge tail on the bottom, bunch of buyers stepping in. Yep. It's also a major consolidation phase around here, these levels. Goldman Sachs, another financial. Not as well as American Express, yeah. But that's good. So last month, while it did do an inside candle, didn't take out the low of the prior month, has tails, demands on buyers stepping in here. All these price levels, demands on buyers. They're on the ask. Home Depot, horrible. Yeah, trend down, lower low. Hotel, Quebec, November. Yep, that's also bad. Lower low. IBM. Yep, trend down too. Huge consolidation. Intel, just as bad. Not good. The other thing is, look, while the Dow's trending down, we did not take out the low of last year, but certainly here, Intel took out the low of last year, and it's already back from 2 years ago. Not good. Johnson & Johnson, massive consolidation. Interesting. Demands on buyers stepping in here. Yeah, we made a lower high, lower low in February, closed back up midpoint, huge consolidation. It's under demand. Buyers accumulating it. JP Morgan, the other financial. Wow, even worse. Already took out the low of last month, so this is performing worse. Look, here's March, January inside candle. Sorry, February was the inside candle here, and the few new days of the new month already took it out below. That's real bad. Where Dow Jones, no, it didn't take out the low of February yet. JP Morgan in bad shape. Kilo Oscar, outstanding, outstanding. Look at that, green, green, higher highs, higher lows. January, February, higher high, higher low. Well, current month hasn't taken out the high yet, but still outperforming the Dow index. So already we've seen several stocks outperforming the Dow index. Several stocks that are closer to the all-time highs of the year. McDonald's, nope, massive sell-off. 3M, wow. Nope, really bad. Look at that. Already took out the low of last year. Here's the low of last year. Bad. Merck, just like Johnson, under accumulation here. Well, February did had a huge sell-off. Took out the low of January. Didn't make a high of January, of the high of January. But yeah, massive demand zone. Buyers accumulating in here. Demand zone. And did not take out the low of last year's. There's worse than this. Microsoft, very similar to the Dow. Yep. Nike. Well, we're not at the lows of last year yet, but we're trending down there. That's not good. Procter Gamble. Look at that. Lower lows, lower highs, trending down. Huge retracement of that December month. And tails down here. So massive amount of demands on buyers stepping in here. Tango Romeo Victor, Travelers, another financial. Outstanding. We already saw several financials outstanding. So January green, February higher high, higher low, and current month inside candle. Uniform November hotel. Full consolidation here, massive consolidation. So you got the demand zone here. But interesting, February closed green and closed nearly the same point as open. Huge dodgy, a lot of indecision. January inside candle, huge dodgy candle. In February, yeah, very suspicious here. So it's massive, massive consolidation here, like a roadblock. Let's not say like traffic congestion. Demand zone here, supply zone here. That's still very suspicious, that prior candle. Verizon, not as bad. Nope. So January green candle, February higher high, higher low. We did not take out the low of last year, which is this green low. No, actually February made a higher high than January. So accumulation. Yeah, certainly demand zones here. And Verizon. If I made a mistake, this one was Visa. I apologize if I said Verizon, Visa. Now we're in Verizon. Yep, Verizon, really bad. Massive consolidation down here. Inside candle, not good. It's not trending, it's an consolidation. Whiskey, Bravo, Alpha. Yeah, just like the Dow, massive trend down. Slight demand zone down here. And Walmart, similar to the Dow. So takeaway is we saw several financials. Again, the financials is very diversified. Financials is a sector, and within that sector, there's many industries in the financials. But we saw 7 of them are looking really good and performing better than the index. But overall, majority of the stocks are trending down, which is bearish. And a few leadership ones, far few selections. We'll see what happens when this third quarter ends, be the end of March. And if we start turning around, but remember, history has shown, if I recall, March is typically the worst month of the year, or one of the worst months of the year. So don't be surprised if we go lower, and then might have that opportunity to start buying cheap, and then have a turnaround. So again, I'm going to be posting those shorter duration videos that are on the weekly. Stay tuned and be informed sooner than later.